Hello everyone and welcome back to Everyday English Talk. I'm Lisa and I'm here with my shopping buddy Jake.
Hey Lisa, hi everyone. Shopping buddy sounds exciting, but also a little dangerous. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, maybe a bit of both. Today we're talking about going to the mall.
Oh nice, I love malls, so many shops, food, smells, and shiny lights.
Yes, malls are amazing places to practice real English too.
Really? I never thought about that. How?
Because you use English for everything: greetings, asking questions, ordering food, paying for things, asking directions, and more.
Oh, that's true. I remember once I got lost in a huge mall and had to ask for the exit in very bad English. Ha ha ha.
Ha 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 ha, that's okay. That's how we learn. Today we'll help everyone sound more natural while shopping.
Sounds good. I'm ready to become a mall master.
Perfect. Let's start with the basics. So, Jake, when you first enter a store, what do you usually hear?
Usually someone says, "Hi, how are you?" or "Can I help you?"
Exactly. And sometimes they say, "Are you looking for something special?"
Yes, I never know how to answer. I usually just say, no, I'm okay, ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, that's common. You can say, "Just looking, thank you." That's polite and friendly.
Just looking, thank you. That's short and nice. I can remember that.
Exactly. And if you actually need something, you can say, "Yes, I'm looking for a blue jacket," or "I'm looking for jeans."
Oh, okay, that's easy. So just looking, thank you, or I'm looking for plus the thing I need.
Right, very good. Now let's imagine we're inside a clothing store. I'll be the shop assistant.
Okay, I'll be me as usual, ha 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 ha.
Hi there, can I help you find something today?
Yes, I'm looking for jeans.
Great. What size are you?
Medium, I think.
Ha ha ha. Jake jeans have numbers, not words. You should say I'm size 32 or 34.
Oh, right, I always forget that.
So try again.
I'm looking for jeans, size 32.
Perfect and polite pronunciation. Now, if you want to try them on, what do you say?
Can I try these on?
Excellent. That's the right phrase. They'll usually say, "Sure, the fitting room is over there."
Fitting room means the changing room, right?
Exactly same thing. Good job. Okay, now you've tried on your jeans and you love them. What do you say next?
I say I'll take them right.
Perfect. Or you can say, "I'll buy these, thank you."
Okay, that's easy. I'll buy these, thank you.
Great. And what if you want to ask the price politely?
Excuse me, how much is this?
Perfect tone. That's polite and clear.
What about when I can't find the tag?
You can say, "Excuse me, I can't find the price tag. Could you tell me how much this is?"
Oh, nice. That sounds natural.
Yes, the key is to sound polite by using "could you" or "can you" instead of just "tell me."
Got it. So I should say, could you tell me how much instead of how much? Ha ha ha.
Exactly, that's the polite version. Now here's a tip about discounts. Many people love sales.
Oh, I love sales. Ha ha ha. I always look for the red stickers.
Ha 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 ha, me too. You can ask, "Is this on sale?" or "Do you have any discounts today?"
Do you have any discounts today? Ha ha ha. That's my new favorite sentence.
Ha ha ha. Yes, and if something is cheaper than usual, they'll say it's 20% off or it's half price today.
Oh, okay, so 20% off means 20% cheaper.
Exactly, great listening. And you can say, "Wow, that's a good deal."
Wow, that's a good deal. Ha ha ha. I'll use that.
Sometimes you might want a different size or color. What can you say?
Maybe. Do you have this in blue?
Exactly. And for size, you can say, "Do you have this in a smaller size or do you have this in large?"
Okay. Easy. Do you have this in a smaller size?
Perfect pronunciation, nice and smooth.
Thanks, teacher. I'm feeling like a professional shopper now. Ha 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 ha.
You're doing great, Jake. You sound natural and confident. That's what English practice is all about.
Oh, thank you. Ha 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 ha.
Now, after all that shopping, you might need a break, right?
Yes, I'm hungry already. I can smell pizza in my imagination. Ha 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 ha.
Ha ha ha, great imagination. Next, we'll move to the food court and practice how to order food politely.
Oh yes, food part my favorite.
I know ha 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 ha. But let's pause here for a moment so our listeners can remember the phrases we learned today. Quick review everyone you can say, just looking thank you when you don't need help.
And I'm looking for when you want something.
Exactly. You can ask, can I try these on to use the fitting room?
Or excuse me, how much is this to ask for the price?
Perfect, and remember polite questions start with could you or can you.
And of course, do you have any discounts today? Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, that's Jake's favourite line. Okay, Lisa, now we're in the food court. I can smell burgers, fries, pizza, and coffee. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Calm down, Jake. You sound like a hungry tourist.
I am a hungry tourist. This place looks amazing. Where should we start?
Let's start with English for ordering food. You'll hear things like, next please, what would you like to order? Or, may I take your order?
Oh yeah, I always panic when they say that. Ha ha ha.
Don't panic. You can just say, I'd like a burger and fries, please. That's polite and simple.
I'd like a burger and fries, please. Okay, sounds fancy.
Ha ha ha. Yes, it's polite English for I want.
What if I'm really hungry and want more food? Ha ha ha.
Then you can add, I'd also like a Coke, or I'd like a slice of pizza too.
Oh, cool. So I'd like means polite way to say I want.
Exactly. Now, when they ask eat in or take away, do you know what that means?
I think eat in means eat here and take away means to go.
Exactly right. You can say eat in, please, or take away, please.
Okay, eat in please. I want to enjoy my meal in this beautiful food court. Ha ha ha.
Ha 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 sounds good. Now how do you pay?
Usually I just give cash or card and say, here you go.
That's perfect. But you can also say, could I pay by card, or could I have the bill please if you're sitting at a table?
Oh yes, I always forget that one. Could I have the bill please?
Exactly. That's what you say when you're done eating in a restaurant.
Nice. I'll remember that.
Let's do a little role play. I'll be the cashier and you'll order ready.
Ready and hungry, ha ha ha.
Hello, welcome to Burger Planet. What would you like to order?
Hi, I'd like a cheeseburger, fries, and a Coke, please.
Sure, eat in or take away.
Eat in, please.
Great, that'll be $10, please.
Can I pay by card?
Of course, insert your card here, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, have a great meal.
Wow, that was smooth, ha ha ha.
See, you sound like a native already.
I feel proud, ha ha ha.
Now, while eating, people usually chat casually. For example, how's your food, or it's so delicious.
Oh yes, I always say it's yummy, ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, yummy is fine, but you can also say it's tasty or it's really good.
Oh, tasty, I like that. It's tasty sounds more grown up, ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha, yes. And when your friend asks how your food is, you can reply, it's amazing or it's not bad.
Okay, got it. It's amazing. Ha 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 ha. That's my favorite phrase.
Great. Now let's talk about drinks. If you want to order coffee, you can say, I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Simple.
Yes, or you can say, can I get an iced latte, please? That's very common.
Can I get an iced latte, please? Nice.
Perfect tone. Just remember to smile when ordering, it always helps.
Ha 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 ha. Okay, teacher, I'll smile more when I say iced latte.
After eating, sometimes people want dessert. What could you say if you want ice cream?
I'd like a chocolate ice cream, please.
Exactly, you're learning fast.
Or maybe, could I have a donut, please? Ha ha ha.
Perfect, polite and sweet, ha ha ha. Now, let's imagine you finished your meal and want to find a shop. You might ask an employee, excuse me, where's the bookstore? Or, excuse me, how can I get to the cinema?
Oh, okay, so excuse me, where's plus the place?
Exactly, that's the key pattern. For example, excuse me, where's the restroom? Or excuse me, where's the elevator?
Oh yes, restroom very important, ha ha ha.
Colon ha ha ha, definitely one of the most useful phrases in the mall.
What if I want to ask about directions like upstairs or downstairs?
You can say, is it upstairs or downstairs? Or could you tell me how to get there?
Could you tell me how to get there? That sounds so polite.
Yes, polite English always works in malls. Let's do a mini example again.
Okay, ready.
Excuse me, where's the bookstore?
It's on the second floor next to the coffee shop.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Great, that's how short and natural it can be.
Nice and easy, I like that.
So far, we've learned how to order food, how to pay, and how to ask for directions.
Yes, and how to find the restroom. Ha ha ha.
Colon ha ha ha, very important. Now, before we move to the next part, let's do a mini summary for everyone listening. Colon. When you order food, say, I'd like or can I get?
And when you finish eating, say, could I have the bill, please?
Colon perfect. When asking directions, say, excuse me, where's the plus place?
Like, excuse me, where's the cinema or restroom?
Exactly. And remember polite words like please, thank you, and you're welcome. Make everything sound better.
Okay, I'll use them all the time. Ha ha ha.
Great job, Jake. You sound more and more confident.
Thank you, teacher. I'm learning and eating. Ha ha ha.
Colon ha ha ha, the best combination learning with food.
Yes, food helps me remember everything. Ha ha ha.
Then you'll love part 3 because we'll visit a tech store and a gift shop. You'll learn how to ask about prices, returns, and how to compliment someone's shopping.
Oh, that sounds fun. Maybe I'll buy you a gift. Ha ha ha.
Colon ha ha ha, maybe I'll remind you of that later.
Okay, Lisa, we finished our meal and I'm full. Ha ha ha. Now, where do we go next?
Let's check out the tech store. I know you love gadgets.
Oh, yes, phones, laptops, headphones. I'm ready. Ha ha ha.
Ha 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 ha, all right. Imagine you walk into a store and you want to ask about a product. You can say, excuse me, how much is this, or how much does this cost?
Oh, yes, the famous question. Ha ha ha.
Exactly, and if you want to be extra polite, say, could you tell me the price of this, please?
Could you tell me the price of this, please? Sounds very nice. I like it.
Great tone. You can also ask, do you have this in another color, or is there any discount on this item?
Oh, yes, discount. Very important. Ha ha ha.
Colon, ha ha ha. Everyone loves discounts. You can also ask, is this on sale?
Is this on sale? Perfect. I'll use that next time I go shopping.
Now, when you want to try something, you can ask, can I try this, or can I see that one, please?
Oh, like when I want to check sunglasses, I can say, can I try these on?
Exactly. That's the perfect phrase for clothes or accessories.
Can I try this on, please? Nice and polite.
Yes, and if the size doesn't fit, you can say it's too big or it's too small.
Okay. I think I'll always say it's too small. Ha 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 ha.
Colon, ha ha ha, sure, maybe you'll grow into it someday. Jake.
Ha ha ha. Very funny, teacher.
Now imagine you bought something but it doesn't work. How would you ask for help?
Maybe I can say I'd like to return this, please, or can I exchange this?
Colon perfect. That's exactly how native speakers do it.
Okay, so return means give back, exchange means change it.
Correct. And if you want to explain, you can say it doesn't work properly or it's the wrong size.
Oh, yes, I remember that one from online shopping. Ha ha ha.
Colon ha ha ha, yes. Same phrases work in real stores too. Another good phrase is, do you have a warranty? That means do you cover repair or replacement if it breaks?
Oh, I never knew that. Do you have a warranty? Got it.
Yes, that's very useful, especially for electronics.
Great, I'll sound so smart next time I buy a phone. Ha ha ha.
You already sound smart, Jake. Now let's move to the gift shop.
Oh, yes, I love gift shops. They smell nice. Ha ha ha.
Colon ha ha ha, true. They always smell like candles and perfume.
So what can we learn here?
Here you can practice compliments. For example, that looks beautiful, or this would make a great gift.
Oh, nice. This would make a great gift. I like that.
You can also say, my friend would love this, or I think this is cute.
Okay, teacher, let me try. I think this teddy bear is cute. Ha 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 ha.
Colon, all perfect pronunciation and tone, ha ha ha.
Thank you, I'm becoming a shopping expert, ha ha ha.
Yes, and when you buy something, you can say, I'll take this, please. That's how you confirm your choice.
I'll take this, please. Okay, easy.
Colon, at the counter, the cashier might ask, would you like a gift bag or would you like a receipt?
Oh yes, receipt, that's the small paper, right.
Colon, exactly. It shows what you bought and the price.
Okay, I'll say yes, please, I'd like the receipt.
Colon, perfect, polite and clear. Now let's talk about compliments in conversation. If someone says nice shirt or I love your bag, what should you say?
Maybe, thank you, that's nice of you.
Exactly, or you can say thanks, I got it at the mall, ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha. Perfect for today's topic.
Yes, and if you want to compliment someone, say I like your style or you look great today.
Okay, I'll tell you that, Lisa. You look great today. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, thank you, Jake. That's very polite.
You're welcome, teacher. Ha ha ha.
Let's also practice pronunciation a little. The word mall has a short sound like mall, not mel.
Oh, so it's like mall.
Exactly, and receipt is tricky. We don't pronounce the P.
Really, wow, I always said receipt. Ha ha ha.
Colon, ha ha ha, no, it's receipt.
Receipt, okay, got it.
And sale and sell are different. Sale is the event when things are cheaper. Sell is the action.
Oh yes, I confuse them. Sale is like 50% off and sell is what the shop does.
Exactly, you're learning fast.
I'll remember because I love sales. Ha ha ha.
Now let's do one final mini conversation to review everything.
Okay, ready?
Colon, hi Jake. Welcome to the mall. How can I help you today?
Hi, Lisa. I'd like to buy a jacket, please.
Sure, what size do you wear?
Medium, please. Can I try this one on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you. It fits perfectly. I'll take it, please.
Great, that'll be $50. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Wow, that was perfect. I sounded professional, ha ha ha.
You did. That's a full shopping conversation from start to finish.
Yay, I'm proud of myself, ha ha ha.
Now, before we wrap up, let's do a big review for everyone listening. Colon, we learned how to order food and drinks politely.
How to ask for prices and discounts.
Colon, how to return or exchange items.
How to compliment people and things.
Colon, how to ask for directions and use polite phrases.
And how to pronounce tricky words like receipt, sale, and mall.
Exactly. Great job, Jake, and great job to everyone listening.
Thank you, teacher. I had fun today. I want to go shopping for real now. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, just don't spend too much.
No promises, ha ha ha.
Okay, time to say goodbye. Everyone remember you can practice these phrases in real life next time you visit a mall.
Yes, and don't forget to smile and be polite, ha ha ha.
That's right. Politeness is always in fashion.
Ha ha ha. Good one, Lisa.
Thank you, Jake. See you in our next episode.
What's the next topic, teacher?
Colon. You'll find out soon. Ha ha ha. Maybe something about travel.
Oh, can't wait, ha ha ha.
Colon, bye everyone and keep practicing English every day.
Bye and happy shopping, ha ha ha.